Meet GoEA, a folding solar stove at an affordable price of just $30. It features a simple design but doesn't compromise on efficiency. This little gem can do more than just cook and boil your food. In fact, it can even handle frying. The clever part is that it concentrates solar heat within a 400 ml pot, increasing the temperature inside to 280 degrees Celsius with the aid of special plates.
Now, let's talk about one of the most portable sinks in the world. It's compact, measuring 25 x 18 x 6 cm and weighing only 500 grams. You can attach a foot pedal to it for hands-free use, and the price ranges from $10 to $50.
If you're unwilling to leave your KingCamping sleeping bag behind after a night, you won't have to. You can transform it into 2 armholes and a poncho for your feet. This makes for a comfortable walk without compromising on warmth, suitable for all seasons except extreme cold, and it's available for $35.
If your camping drainage area isn't properly set up, it might get wet and messy over time. Enter the ENSUITE, which provides a separate base for your drainage area, addressing this issue. With ENSUITE, you can collect more water and channel it away from your camp or into a reusable system. Additionally, standing on bamboo or stones is more comfortable with its slats, available for $251.
No hiking and camping selection would be complete without a multi-tool, right? So, let's see why this one costs $24. Firstly, customers get 14 tools from a hammer and an axe to a saw and, of course, a reliable bottle opener. Secondly, the multi-tool is Texan-made, claiming to work even during a fire hydrant challenge. Lastly, it's crafted by RAC, a specialist in making multi-tools.
You'll find various inflatable structures that help you create a complete campsite fortress. But here's a more attractive option: HEIMPLANET's Cave XL tent. While inhabitants of inflatable forts battle with setup, owners of the Cave XL will finish in 1 minute. Designed for 3 people, weighing around 5 kg, and neatly packed in a backpacking case, the Cave XL costs $1,200.
For airing out airbeds, sleeping pads, and other items, the world's smallest pump might offer up to 25 pumps in just one charge from a Snickers-sized tool. Its pressure is measured at around 2.5 kilopascals, approximately 0.2 bars. Nevertheless, it's effective for compressing items in a vacuum bag. You can buy this pump for just $36.
This cooler hasn't gained much popularity on Kickstarter for some reason, but it's quite appealing. It keeps items cool without ice or electricity. You only need to add chilled water to the cooler, and its interior temperature will drop by 3 to 6 C from the surrounding environment, thanks to a FaceTech element that works in conjunction with water, pulling heat away. You can purchase a 60L cooler for $140.
Both the sharp and spark rods strive to help you and your side. The white one sharpens your knife, and the black one aids you in making a campfire. Essentially, the sharp spark combines a fire starter with a sharpener in a single durable stone. It's a lightweight tool at 71G and costs $25.
A hiking hammock can be incredibly lightweight. The manufacturer of the ENO DoubleNest has achieved a weight of only 540 G, yet the hammock can comfortably support up to 181 kg. They have designed different versions for 2 people. As an additional bonus, it features a built-in pocket for canteens and bottles. The ENO DoubleNest is available for $75.
If your cooking needs go beyond the capacity of Go AA, then consider a complete outdoor kitchen like the EXO OpenRange. It includes multiple tables, a cutting board, a sink, a 2-burner stove, and various practical features. This kitchen weighs 30 kg and offers approximately 85 L of storage space. Priced at $1,200, it reflects these extensive features. The Flotroy project aims to generate an income source for its creators. They invite everyone to stay overnight in their cabins for $95 each night. However, with such beautiful landscapes and an incredible environment, who's really thinking about the cost? Once they set up their camp with 16 cabins and 4 floating fire pits, each cabin can accommodate up to 4 people and provides wear and life jackets as part of the rental package.
Collaborating with industry leaders like Salomon and Osprey, the HydraPak company has found success. Their main product line revolves around hydration solutions. The HydraPak console series offers a solution specifically for hip packs, saving valuable backpack space. These hydration packs come with convenient openings, making refilling and cleaning easy. The 1.5L HydraPak console weighs only 128 G and is available for $51. According to statistics, nearly 580 billion cups of coffee are consumed worldwide each year. And even during hiking, many people can't do without their coffee fix. That's where the Bripe kit comes in. With the Bripe, you can make your coffee outdoors. The kit includes a compact brewing pipe, a metal filter, a stand, a butane burner, a thermometer, and a case, all for $90.
Japanese designers aim to enhance your camping experience. They've created a camping rack, but instead of swinging clothes, it's designed for pots and kettles. The centerpiece, known as the QI base, features a sturdy 32M steel rod. Just drive it into the ground and attach the hangers. A hanger effortlessly supports a 10 kg load, allowing you to lift a kettle with just a finger.